security window bars.
Stands as a hallmark of safety and quality in residential window protection. Our specialization lies not only in crafting adaptive bars with a telescopic system and customizable modules. Our telescopic system makes it possible to adapt to any window size. No matter the width of your window, thanks to the modular system, you can cover your needs with the number of modules that your window requires. We have 3 models. Model A is a unique and robust security solution. These heavy-duty window bars with a decorative design can be installed inside or outside the window, allowing you to adapt the installation to your specific needs. The A exit model has the same features as the A model, with the difference that this model has an emergency exit system. Model B offers unparalleled versatility, giving you the flexibility to choose the option that best suits your security needs. Unlike Model A, Model B can be installed directly to the wall or on the edge of the window frame.
Security Screw It has special irreversible screws for easy installation that make your home always safe. Once placed, they can no longer be removed.
This innovative product is the perfect choice to stand out in major markets. Its compact design requires only 1 pallet space per model and makes it exceptionally attractive for any retail environment. Forget about unnecessary screws or adapters, as well as large inventories with different sizes of gratings. Let us make transportation easy for our customers so they don't have to hire freight for large grating sizes.